Hello traders, you're welcome to a new episode of what is happening in the crypto space. Today we'll be discussing on current market trends, we'll be discussing on Solana, we'll be discussing on Ethereum price analysis. And at the end of today's price analysis and discussion, we'll make investment decision based on what the market is actually telling. This is Next Chain Lab, a platform where we discuss altcoins, price analysis, latest trend in the market, and helping newbies to navigate the crypto space. This platform is not a financial advice. All content here are just for educational purposes. If you're new to our channel, do well to like, share, and subscribe. Will help us to get to 100 followers or subscribers before the ending of the year. So in today's episode, we'll be discussing on Solana price analysis and also Ethereum price analysis. But to begin, we'd like to see what is happening in the crypto space, and we'll be going straight to X, Twitter. Presently, Peter is saying Peter was of the opinion that gold is eating Bitcoin. Gold has been on fire recently. There's no doubt. Price has been rallying so much. Gold has done over 25% in the last 2 months, outperforming Bitcoin. No wonder many persons are saying that gold has been trending seriously. There's been speculation suggesting that would Bitcoin be able to catch up with gold? Although Bitcoin has shown signs of rallying, following gold's trend, but could Bitcoin replicate such trend this time? CZ, former Binance CEO, retweeted what Peter said, and he quotes, "We should have listened to him 2 months ago. Out of the 16 years in Bitcoin's existence, about 1% of the time, I am sure Bitcoin fluctuated negatively against gold more than that, except BTC went from less than 4 cents to $110,000 in 16 years. What are other persons also saying? Bitcoin will follow gold soon. 150k to 180k is coming in Q4. Save the post. So the market trend still remains bullish. If we look at another indicator, that is M2. M2 is currently rallying higher. Gold is ripping, Bitcoin is sleeping. So Bitcoin has always followed the price of M2 to the upside. So we would like to see if Bitcoin will actually keep up with the M2 indicator. Straight away, we'll be going to coin market cap. Currently, the Bitcoin Fear and Greed Index is actually negative, which is fear. The market is actually cautious, fearful as regards where the market will be headed next. Considering that the market was at an all-time high of 4.2 trillion market cap, but presently the market is around 3.66 trillion based on the on-chain data that is found on the coin market cap. If we go over to CoinGlass, we'll notice that the liquidation has really increased, especially for those who are opening long positions for BTC and also other altcoins. Currently, traders who have opened short position are at a more advantageous side compared to those who opened long position. Considering the fact that BTC is trending lower, what should we expect from Solana and also from Ethereum? In our discussion, we would like to see some zones and also key areas we should be looking at, especially if we are to buy or buy into Solana or Ethereum in the coming few days. So we'll be going straight to TradingView, where we'll do the price analysis of Solana and also Ethereum. So but I would like to start with gold. If we pay close attention to the price of gold, we'll notice that gold has been ripping. Gold has been rallying for the past 1 month. In fact, gold has shown over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bullish candles. For the past 5 days, gold has been ripping seriously, and BTC has been sleeping. BTC is struggling to catch up with gold. We'll be chatting the price analysis of Solana. So this is the price analysis of Solana. The price of Solana is actually at a key level. The price is actually at a key level. Following a rally to a key high of $250, the price retraced in previous weeks when BTC crashed to a region of $103,000. But price showed some momentum to the upside. It was rejected again to this key low, and now price tried to rally to an upside around $208, but price was faced with resistance to the downside. In our previous live video, I also stated that I'll be looking at for Solana to trade into this key zone. I stated it earlier. It was not time for me or for others to long Solana. Solana was to trade into this key zone, which is around $180 to $170. I'll be looking at Solana to show a good bullish structure around this zone. If I can get something like this, then I'll be ready to enter Solana to trade it to the upside. A short-term target of 210 and another target to around $235, which is a key resistance. Overall, Solana has been holding pretty well. We'll be looking at short-term targets. Despite markets being uncertain for the past few weeks, Solana still is on track. There's still high chance that Solana could hit $300 before the year runs out. Key resistance to watch out for Solana remains $237 and also $250. If Solana breaks above these two key regions, which is around this zone, Solana breaks above this $253, we could see Solana rally to a new all-time high. However, Solana is not the only altcoin showing good signs of recovery when the market bounces to an upside. Ethereum has also shown a good sign of rallying to the upside, especially when the market recovers. If we look at the Ethereum charts, we notice that following a decline previous week towards a key low of 3,444, the price rebounded to an upside. However, the price could not rally above this zone of 4,380. We saw a rejection, and from my end, I will be paying close attention to how price reacts around this zone, which is around 3,800 to 3,700. We want to be very mindful of our trading decision, especially in these zones. We'll be looking at price creating a bullish structure. If price creates a bullish structure, then we'll look for short-term targets and potentially long-term targets. But to be on the safe side, it will be better we look for short-term targets before looking for long-term targets, and that will help us to be more conservative when it comes to trading, considering the price of Bitcoin has been erratic and has been uncertain in the past few weeks. So that is all we are going to discuss as regards Solana and Ethereum. Solana gives good opportunity for a long position, and also Ethereum gives good opportunity for a long position. Which of them are you going to trade? Let me know in the comment section. If you are new here, do well to like, share, subscribe to our channel, and help us to hit 100 subscribers before the end of the year. Cheers to everyone, and stay safe.